Grant Wood painted this work in 1930 during the Great Depression. He was a young artist living with his mother and was struggling to make a career.
When one day he drove with a colleague through the small town of Eldon in his home state of Iowa, he was intrigued by the Gothic-style windows in such a flimsy house. He loved the pretentiousness of such a house and went on a search for two characters that he believed could live there. He ended up with his sister and a local dentist.
He painted them in front of the house with the man looking straight at us, while the woman is looking to the side. Their old-fashioned clothes and facial expressions seem to tell us to stay away from them and their house.
And that's how most people perceived this painting, as a mockery of the Midwestern character. But Wood actually saw a more positive side in them, which was the determination of the people in the rural Midwest during a very challenging time like the Great Depression.
Wood submitted the painting to an open exhibition of the Art Institute of Chicago, and to his surprise, he won the competition. One of the patrons particularly loved the painting, and the museum acquired it immediately. Wood and his paintings suddenly became famous. Nowadays, most Americans are familiar with this painting, either with the original or with one of its many parodies.
This leaves us with probably the most asked question about this painting. Are the man and woman a couple, or are they father and daughter? Initially, Wood envisioned them as a couple, but after some pressure from his sister about their age difference, he changed his story and told that they represented a father and his daughter.